recording with my phone because yeah. So this is my room, y'all. I want you guys to see this. Like, this is so bad, guys. That is so terrible. Let me put the light on so you guys can see. This is my bed. Hey, you guys. I know you guys can see the hair product on the wall. This is the cause of coloring hair while recording a YouTube video. So my room looks a mess, but surely but slowly is coming back together. The painter plastered the walls, the holes in the walls, because I had a lot of holes in my walls. I don't know how it happened, but it did. And that was the biggest one too as well, which is like so crazy. But I'm just showing you guys the plasters on the walls. And then when I come in, my room is all painted. It looks so nice. The walls are like a cream color. And it just looks so much better. Okay. I just love my walls. Like, you know, you have that fresh paint smell in your room. I love that smell. So I went ahead and got a full body mirror. I purchased this mirror in the Bronx. There's a furniture store in the Bronx, and I saw this and I was like, listen, I have to have this. This mirror is bigger than me. Okay, this mirror is legit like 7 feet tall. Okay, super huge. And you know, a girl has to have that full body mirror to look at themselves every single day. Like, who don't want to have a mirror to just look at themselves? Like, I do. I know I do. But yeah, so the size of the mirrors has like diamonds on it. It's so sleek and nice. And then as you go down, there's a latch hook to basically lean the mirror so that it won't like fall or anything like that. So I purchased my wallpaper from Amazon. It came in a roll. Technically speaking, I used about 2.5 wallpapers to fill up my wall. So I did an accent wall. It was just one wall in my room that I put the wallpaper on, and that's how the wallpaper looks like. It's the brick wallpaper. I feel like this is really good accent wall because one is brick and the color is like fabulous. Okay, so I got help to put it on the wall. And then I went shopping, you guys. I went shopping for my room. I love going shopping. It's so much fun. I like going by myself. So I'm in the store. I'm just trying to get stuff for my shoes. So I like this. I don't even know how much storage they have in. 20 pockets? Good. That's not bad. It's actually pretty good. Just like everywhere. So we have really nice mugs, y'all. This one is mad nice. It's like a holographic. It's like a holographic mug. That's so cute. Oh, look at this. I don't need Google. My husband. Oh, this is so cute. This is so cute. Look at that. You know what I want to get, guys? These really nice rugs. Like, I need a really nice rug. Like, I think this is so cute. This one right here is so cute, but I can't even take because I'm on my way to work, so I can't even take that. This is so cute. Like, this is like perfect, and the price is $89.99, so like $90 plus tax. That is so freaking cute, yo. This one too is nice, but like I'd rather get a black one. This is like $100. It's like the black one is like it's $100. It's like, ooh. I wish you guys can see that. My camera's not focused, and they do have some beddings and stuff in here, but like the main thing that I wanted to get was this here. I wanted to get this. This is so cute, like, y'all, this is fire. Look at these. Oh, they got the flower boot. So cute. So guys, this is some of the things that I bought when I went shopping. So this is my, so I bought some new blankets. This is the full, I believe this is the full size. This is that's my Uggs blanket. Then I bought some really nice pillowcases. I'm gonna open it and show you guys. Oh no, okay. So I bought some really nice pillowcases. This is the memory foam bamboo pillows, queen size. I bought 2 of them, but yeah, I bought 2 of them, one here and one right there. Window curtains, I bought white ones, really nice. I hope you guys like, I hope you guys can see. Yeah, you guys can see. It's a really nice color. It's like silver and white. Like right here is more pillowcases. I mean, it's more pillows. And then I bought some hangers and all of these good stuff. Okay, you guys, so now I am recording with my Canon. My light in my hallway is kind of really bad. Excuse my voice, but my Impressionsvanity just came. This is the mirror. I ordered it separately. It's a super big box, you guys. Super big box. But I'm gonna try to like push it in my room. And yeah, I'm so excited. You guys. This is so cool. It's so awesome. All right, y'all. See you guys in a minute. I am in my room. This is my room, y'all. It's not done yet, but this is my vanity mirror. The dresser will be coming pretty soon. I just ordered both of them separately, but I am going to be opening this. I'm out of breath because it took a long time. It took a while for this to get in my room. So, and I just woke up and I'm tired. Yeah, so I'm just super excited. This is a huge mirror. I got the big one, you guys. I literally got the big one. Forgive me for my shoes. I gotta put them in my closet, but yeah. So right now what I'm doing is just looking through the box to see if my lights are there. Okay, that was the first thing that I was really not interested in, but I was very curious to see how many light bulbs are actually in the box. So I figured like I'm not opening this box the right way, so I laid it down flat on the ground and tried to open it the other way, but you guys would see the struggle. So now I had to lift the box up again, and then I seen that it came with these tools for the mirror. So I guess these are the tools that you would put the dresser on. I'm guessing. Okay, I don't know if there's instructions in it because I'm just curious about the light bulbs. So on the top I just opened one of the boxes where the light bulbs is, and I'm just checking to see if there's any scratches. Sorry y'all, so let me zoom out so you guys can see. Okay, so basically these right now on the top I have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Wait, I was out of focus. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Wow, I don't even know how to count. Wait, hold up. 1 2 3 4 5 6 and then 7. So there are 7 light bulbs on the top, and I'm pretty sure on the bottom there's another additional 7. So forgive me y'all, I'm just trying to get this like focused. Okay, so this is the vanity right here. Ooh, it feels so cold. Ooh, it feels so cold. Yeah, so this is my vanity. This is all the lights. Okay, the other ones I believe they're on the side of the dresser or on the bottom, but yeah, so I gotta go y'all. I'm tired. I have a client that's coming at 3, and yeah y'all, peace out guys. I gotta get ready. Bye.
Dinah. It's so beautiful out there. I'm vlogging for you. So many Christmas trees. Tory Burch.
This is my coworker. Her name is Ashley, and she just did the vlog for you guys. And I'm so happy that, you know, she just helped me out. And she's super bomb. Her name is Ash Cash. Bills. It's okay.
We're gonna see how much she got. $2.50. She just needs a quarter. You didn't have a quarter?
No bills. It doesn't have no bills. Sadly.
There's $7.50 she's gonna have on her card now. Oh my God. Get it? That is what we need, 6 minutes. Hurry up, because we got 6 minutes, girl. And to a burger. That's all.
Oh, 1 more. Okay, good. Yeah, so anyways, I am back home from work, and I just basically have to clean my closet because my closet looks crazy, and I gotta try to organize it, you know, put some stuff in the bins. Well, I bought some new bins, you guys, so I'm just gonna put some stuff in the bins. Let me show you the bins, y'all. So I had to go to Dollar General and buy some really nice stuff. Let me show you guys. Like, I bought this, and I bought these really cute boxes. Like, I bought a medium one and an extra small ones. I got the large one, the medium, and the small. So I'm just gonna like really like decorate my room and stuff. Then I got these really large bins. And I'm gonna start, you know, cleaning my closet. So as you guys can see, I am crossing out my address, but yeah, so it should be here January 3rd. That's when it's scheduled to be here. So we're just gonna wait and see what happens. That right there is the tabletop, and that is the mirror right there, and then this right here is the dresser. So basically I received everything is here. I'm super excited to work. Oh yeah, I'm waiting for my chair to come, so I'm going to be recording a little bit of that. So yeah, let's get this started. I'm so tired, you guys. I am exhausted, but so you guys, the guy came to fix my chair. This is how the chair looks like. Look at that. It is so pretty, guys. It's all white. It's so nice. Like, so nice. So now I'm recording with my camera. Before I was recording with my phone when he came in. But yeah, I love it. Oh yeah, and on the bottom here, it's like a lever. Oh, it's like to extend the height. So it could go up. So it could go up and down. And then you can lock it, which is really nice. I'm just in love with my chair. It's so pretty. It's so cute. So look at this, y'all. Oh my god. Ah, it's so nice. It's so nice. So nice. So guys, this is it for the vlog. This is the part 1. You guys stay tuned for the part 2 because everything is going to be assembled and put together, especially my vanity, because I know a lot of you guys wanted to see that. But yeah, these are my Yummy World foods, stuffed foods. They're super cute and cuddly and just soft. So stay tuned for my next vlog. Okay, don't forget to subscribe and thumbs up my video. Bye guys.